So we need to select which equations work with this tape diagram. Well, the total is 35, so we need to make sure that we do have a total of 35. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x's, and we're adding 8. So let's take a look at each one of these. So on this one, we have all the x's, the 8 and the 35, so we know that that one will work. We have 6x plus 8, or 8 plus 6x equals 35, so this one works as well. 6 plus 8x, we don't have 8 x's, so that one will not work. 6x plus 8 equals 35, we've got that one right there. 6x plus 8x, we don't have 8 x's, we have an 8x total. Now this is the only other one that might be challenging. 35 minus 8, if you had the equation 6x plus 8 equals 35, to solve we would subtract 8, and there's your 35 minus 8 equals 6x. So these are your correct answers.